So this is here what we're talking about. We have everything connected as far as connecting rods and everything else. If you put the two hash marks together and you try turning the balancer, there is no noise, no knock, no nothing. As soon as you put the piston on top dead center or the compression stroke, you can hear a noise from it. And when you put it on the back one, the noise is more prominent. And it looks like it's in the lash in the gears. If you can see the gears moving back and forth, would like you to advise on what we should do. Thank you.